Forget Zoom, forget Skype, forget every teleconferencing app, because the new normal is VR for business. Yes, VR, virtual reality. And actually, more and more into VR for business, especially in meetings, conferences, virtual tours, and a lot more. Hi, my name is Nick from Life of Automation, and by now, most of us agree that virtual reality technology introduces a whole new way for people to experience virtual worlds and interact with other people in real time. What a lot of people overlook is its potential when it comes to business purposes. We see it as a key technology for meeting professionals, attending conferences, and holding interviews. Since the COVID-19 pandemic hit, we're on video calls more than ever before, and many are finding it exhausting. What makes VR different from other media formats is that it immerses your senses, fooling your brain into processing the experience as if it were really happening. The most common misconception of VR for business is that it costs a lot, when actually, there are plenty of VR softwares in meeting places that can be accessed for absolutely free. Allspace VR is one of those free places. Allspace VR is one of the free premier places to attend live shows, meetups, cool classes, business conferences, and more with friendly people from all over the world. I'd like to invite you to the VR and show you where we can do business in virtual reality. This is one of the rooms here in Allspace VR. This is just one of the conference rooms where we feature ready-to-use interactables like laser pointers and instructions on how to showcase slides. You'll have the option to customize your event as much as you want. Imagine your next conference in this room, along with your colleagues. You get to move around and interact like you're actually there. Isn't this more enticing than just staring at a screen with webcams on and a possibility of security attacks? Imagine a product launch being set up here. Imagine a team meeting being held here. Imagine business meetings or even a podcast all being held in one of these virtual worlds. The possibilities are endless. VR nowadays is not just for entertainment purposes, but could be a new way of dealing with businesses altogether. Today's technology is already that advanced that there is no other way but to move forward and leap onto the next thing in business, which is VR. We'll have more VR related content coming your way. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to more advanced technology videos, and that all will help automate your life.